Audio Jungle.
This is High-Tech News TV News. MDRF partners with Embed UR to co-create advanced AI models for diabetic research. In an effort to mitigate the growing prevalence of diabetics in India through research, the Madras Diabetics Research Foundation, Asia's largest standalone diabetics research institution, entered into a strategic partnership with Embed UR System, a global innovation leader in AI edge computing and cloud, to co-create advanced AI models for diabetic management. This collaboration between Embed UR and MDRF seeks to harness of the transformative power of AI for diabetics research with the goal of strengthening the efficacy of clinical studies in the field and improving the quality of diabetics management in the country. The MOU between MDRF and Embed UR Systems was signed today in a press conference by Dr. V. Mohan, Chairman, Madras Diabetes Research Foundation, and Mr. Rajesh C. Subramanian, Founder and CEO of Embed UR Systems. In this occasion, commenting on the partnership, Dr. V. Mohan, Chairman, Madras Diabetics Research Foundation, said, "The partnership between MDRF and Embed UR marks a significant milestone in diabetics research. By combining our extensive CGM data with Embed UR advanced AI capabilities, we are pioneering a future where AI-driven insight can transform the landscape of diabetics management." After that, about Embed UR system. Embed UR system is a leading embed technology player that is headquartered in Silicon Valley and has a presence in Chennai, forming the nexus of edge, lot and medicine learning Embed UR systems. It excels in delivering innovative solutions in applications such as industrial automation, advanced driver assistance systems, healthcare technology, home automation, and much more.